Sri Lanka is fortunate that cinnamon is native to Sri Lanka. Cinnamon is one of the most antioxidant herbs on the planet. It's a remarkable medicinal plant which contains vital oils and other nutrients. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, anti-cancer, lipid-lowering, and cardiovascular disease-lowering properties. It also acts against neurological disorders.
In early days, cinnamon was used to preserve meat because of its preservative qualities and pleasant aroma. It was used to mask the stench of old meat. At present, Sri Lanka is the largest producer of true cinnamon. Sri Lanka fulfills 80 to 90% of true cinnamon demand in the world. Cinnamon is superior in quality when compared to the low-quality substitute called cassia. Cassia contains a carcinogenic substance called coumarin. It's been scientifically proved that prolonged consumption of cassia is hazardous to health.
The product of commerce of cinnamon is the bark. The cinnamon tree is harvested when it's about 3 years old and 2/3 of its bark has turned brown. The tree is coppiced about 6 inches above the ground. It's processed by scraping the outer bark and rubbing the bark with a copper rod. This loosens the outer bark from the hardwood. Then slits are made with a special knife and the bark is detached from the wood in 2 halves. These barks are connected one inside the other until 106.7 cm or 42-inch length is obtained. These quills are filled with small chips obtained from unpeelable twigs. These quills are air dried on strands indoors until they are fit to handle.
Sri Lankan cinnamon are categorized into 4 major groups. The finest one is called Alba. The other grades are continental grades and Mexican grades and hamburger grades.